Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. What is the current energy of Taurus? What's the current energy of Taurus? Okay, the Hermit. Taurus, this is your current energy, the Hermit. You are being somebody who is gathering all the information. Six of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. Okay, so this is your current energy, Taurus. With this Hermit card, I feel that you are being somebody who is gathering all the information about a particular person, about a particular project, about a particular decision. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who wants to take certain action or some action or some solid action towards someone, towards something. So now you are being completely into your own energies. You are not doing anything, you are just observing things, analyzing data, gathering all the information, as much as you can. You are just into a complete silence mode. Okay, you are not talking to anyone about your this secret mission. You are not discussing about this secret mission with anyone. And yes, I see that this lamp is the only ray of hope in your life. Okay, this time I feel that you are just uh, believing in God or some divine lights or some divine timing. Okay, because you feel that you are surrounded with a lot of darkness in your life. Okay, that's why you want to take some decision about your life, some decision about somebody, or I mean something is there in your life which bothers you. Okay, so that's why you feel that it's okay, I should get the information. Okay, taken from all the available resources. Okay, I should get all the data, all the facts and figures, only then I should move ahead in life. Okay, so I feel that you are into some kind of a dark place in your life. Okay, and this lamp is the only ray of hope for you. You are believing in this light, you are believing in this lamp. Okay, that you feel that it's okay, not a, not a great extent, but yes, step by step I can move out from this dark place. All right, step by step you can move ahead towards the light, towards the positivity, towards the some solid conclusions. All right, so this is your current energy, Taurus. On the other hand, your partner's current energy is Six of Wands. Your partner is a warrior, your partner is somebody who is a fighter. Okay, your partner knows how to get things. Okay, they know how to get the victory out of anything. Okay, they are somebody who always believe in action, and they are somebody who is not afraid to take any action towards anything. The moment they are assigned with a particular job or particular project, they know how to put their heart and mind into that job. Okay, and they make sure that they win. They are big time visionary. Their vision is broad. Okay, they are very ambitious, very determined towards their success, towards their growth. So the moment they have achieved something in life, now they are not celebrating that small achievement. Okay, now they are preparing for the next one. Okay, they are very focused, they are completely focused, they are completely determined towards their growth, towards their expansion, towards their career or finances. Perhaps they have won something. Okay, perhaps they have got some victory in some kind of a project. Now I feel that they are looking at you. You are you are like a next project for them. They want to conquer you, they want to win your heart. They want to do anything which is, making you happy. Okay, now let's see, Taurus, how your person feels about you and how you feel about this person, or how you see them, or how they see you. How Taurus, oh my god, 10 of Cups. And how this person sees you and feels about you. How this person feels about Taurus and how they see Taurus. Taurus, you see them as somebody who is blessed in every aspect of life. They have emotion, they have family, they have friends, they have loved ones, they have a good home, they have good food on their table, they have a group of motivated people. Okay, they are surrounded with so many good peoples in their life. So you see them as somebody who is filled with emotion, who is filled with joy, who is filled with positivity in their life. Okay, you see them as somebody who is a family person. Okay, you see them as somebody who has everything in life. Okay, be it kid, be it home, be it financial abundance, be it prosperity. Okay, so you feel that this person is completely blessed. Okay, on the other hand, Taurus, your person feels about you and they think about you as Knight of Swords. For them, you are always on some kind of a project, or something is happening in your life all the time. You are being somebody who is not taking any rest. Okay, from a quite a long time. Okay, you are always on some project. Okay, you are always on something. No, I have to do this now, I have to do this now, I have to do this now, I have to do this now. It doesn't matter your current energy, your current energy is saying, but that's how they see you. Okay, for them you are like completely on some different kind of a mission, that they feel that you want to achieve so many things in a very short span of time. So you are always in a hurry, you are always in hustle bustle, they see you always hustling for small things. Okay, now let's see, Taurus, what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. What action? Eight of Swords and the Death card. Let's see what they are taking, what action they are taking towards you. Oh my god. Taurus, you are into your own comfort zone. That's what I'm seeing with this Eight of Swords card and the Death card. Something has ended in your life. Okay, a chapter of your life has been ended now. It is the time for you to move ahead in life. Okay, and you are being somebody who is not doing anything. Okay, you are feeling safe in your comfort zone. You are feeling you have a fear in your mind, on your heart, that the moment you will take a step towards your new life, something bad will happen. Okay, you have that negative thoughts within your heart and mind. The moment I'll take some action towards my life, oh my god, something will happen. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. The moment you will open your eyes, you are definitely going to see a new day, because sun is rising for you. Taurus, you need to see this. Sun is rising for you. Perhaps it is perhaps you are not feeling the warmth of the sun right now. Okay, perhaps you are not feeling the sunshine on your body, on your life right now. But yes, sun is rising for you, Taurus, and it's definitely going to rise for you. All you need to do is just open your eyes, free yourself, and just move out from this energy. The moment you will be out from this energy, a new chapter is waiting for you, a new beginning is waiting for you, there is a new opportunity for you. But when it comes to relationship thing, you are not taking any action, because yes, I told you that you are being scared, you are being fearful. And I'm seeing the moment you will take action towards this person or towards this relationship, everything is going to be very, very fine. Okay, this is the person who can bring happiness into your life. This is the person who can bring joy in your life, positivity in your life. All right. On the other hand, Taurus, I feel that your person is trying to connect with you. Okay, they want to offer you something, some kind of a love offer or some kind of emotional offer. And perhaps they have already proposed to you, they have already given you this cup, this cup of association, this cup of meeting, this cup of love, this cup of emotion. They really want to be with you. Taurus, you need to understand this thing, that your person really wants to be with you. So don't be in this energy anymore, because they cannot wait for you all the time. They can't wait for you all the time. It's better to open your eyes and take certain action or some action towards this person right now. Okay, now let's see how you are feeling in this relationship and how they are feeling in this relationship. How Taurus are feeling in this relationship and how they are feeling in this relationship. How Taurus are. What am I seeing? You feel that this person is your wish come true. You see them as somebody who has, you have wished for them. Okay, you have asked for them from divine, from universe, and they are somebody who is your wish fulfillment. Plus you also see them as your soulmate. You see or you feel that there is a mutual connection between you and them. There is a mutual love, mutual emotion between you and them, Taurus. And I'm seeing that you probably wants to be with this person for throughout your life. I think somewhere deep down in your heart you feel that yes, this is my soulmate and I should be with this person by anyhow. Okay, I'm seeing a celebration is happening. Perhaps you are not, talking about it, or you're not thinking about it, but somewhere deep down in your heart and mind there is a thought of solid commitment. All right, because somewhere you feel that this person is your soulmate. You feel that emotional connection, emotional bonding with this person. You feel that this is the person with whom I can spend rest of my life. Okay, this is the person who can bring positivity and joy and happiness in my life. Okay, perhaps you are being into this energy only. Perhaps you are taking your own time to come forward and take a solid decision, concrete decision. All right. On the other hand, 9 of cups. Taurus, your person feels really happy in this relationship. Okay, they are completely happy. They are energetic, they are calm, they are they are peaceful. And you should be happy, because this person is not looking any other offer. Okay, perhaps people are chasing them to be with them, but what they did, they have just closed their door. They have just put curtains over there, just behind their back, so that no one can come inside and they can't see anybody else. Okay, there are a lot of offers within their life, people are chasing, like people are chasing them like anything. Okay, and they can also, you know, accept any proposal, but they are not doing it because they want you. Okay, they have closed their heart for any other proposal except you. Okay, so now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? What is the mutual energy? Two cards. Two of Pentacles and Four of Swords. I think Taurus, it's you who is not able to decide what actions you should take. Okay, there are emotions within your heart and mind for this person, but you are being very practical since you belong from earth sign, right? So you are being very practical at this point of time. Okay, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to manage this, I have to manage that, I have so many responsibilities on my head, I have so many, you know, other commitments as well. How can I be with this person, or why should I leave this person, or you know, so many random thoughts are coming into your heart and mind, and you are being very big time juggler. Okay, you are not getting enough time to think straight, you are not getting enough time to think rationally, so you are juggling a lot. That's the reason you are choosing to sleep. This is Four of Swords. It's you who is choosing to sleep. Okay, let me just ignore this person, or let me just, you know, ignore this their presence in my life, or I should, you know, behave like this way, that okay, you are just my good friend, okay, I don't feel anything for you, or I have no emotions for you, or something like that. But you have emotions for them because you feel that they are your wish come true. You have emotions for them, but the thing is that you are not comprehending that. You are not able to understand what's happening in your life. Okay, sometimes I feel that you are not even sure, okay, on your feelings. You are not sure about your feelings. That's why you are choosing to ignore this person with this Four of Swords card. Let's see what is the future potential of this relationship. What's the future potential of this relationship? Oh. So we have got two cards, Six of Swords and Three of Wands. Six of Swords and Three of Wands. Somebody is moving out. It's either you who is moving out from your Eight of Swords energy, or it's your person who is moving out from this place. But somebody is definitely moving out, and the other person is waiting for that, for the other person. If it is you who is moving out from this Eight of Swords energy, your person must be waiting for you somewhere. Or if it is them who is moving out, okay, perhaps in future they feel that okay, this person is not, you know, not understanding what I'm offering them, or so it might happen that they feel okay, now I should move ahead, or I should move on, or I should look other options in my life, because they have a lot of options in their life. Okay, so it could also happen that your person is, you know, think in that way that it's okay if if Taurus is Taurus is not ready to listen or not ready to understand. Okay, if they feel that I'm just joking around, so it's better to move out. Okay, and perhaps it's you who seek them. They have moved out, or they will move out in future, I don't know what will happen. So it's you who is looking them, okay, from this cliff. You're seeing them going from this cliff, and the sad part is that you won't stop them. Why? You need to ask this question from you. Why won't you stop them? Or perhaps you feel that it's like too late for you to stop them. You need to figure it out. You need to figure it out. Okay, let's take some angel guidance messages. Let's see what angels are asking you to do in this situation. What angels are asking you to do. Oh my god. Yes, it is a yes. It is a confirmation from angels. I don't know why you are, stopping yourself. Yes, you need to out from this Eight of Swords energy. You need to see a new day in your life. You need to write a new chapter of your life. You need to stop them in future, okay? It's a yes. They are the person for you, Taurus. They are the person for you. And I really want you to learn this thing as early as possible. Alright? Okay, so Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. We have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups, okay, and 2 of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with this 4 of Swords, 8 of Swords, 6 of Swords, and Knight of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 3 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 4 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. And some of you could be dealing with Scorpio as well with this Death card. Alright? Alright. So Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.